Boss.
Pangalawa now, we're R&B Grill House.
So ayun siya. Okay. So, anong location, Sam?
So this is in Albertine, Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. So, dito, ito yung
There's
mga...
a park behind,
Mhm.
right over there.
Okay. Playground. Saan tayo nag-park?
Right over there, very
Kita mo?
far, very.
Actually malapit lang. Across the street lang.
Yeah.
Diba? Okay. So, puntahan nyo rito. Masarap siya. Recommendable yung kanyang food. Masarap.
But the
Reasonable yung
park-
price.
But the parking will.
Okay, yes, your turn. Get this.
Hi! Andito kami ngayon sa R&B Grill House. And ito yung appetizer. Meron din sila ritong steak.
But we
Siyempre, yun ang favorite ko.
But we
Kuya,
didn't even order yet.
Sam,
Yes?
You like this all?
Yes, it smells nice and tastes nice. Except the mayonnaise.
so andito to sa Abu Dhabi,
Almutina.
Al Mutina. Ayan. So, maganda yung lugar. Tapos sa labas, gabi na kasi, pero maganda yung lugar. What is your rating na?
8 out of 10.
For the shrimp. How about this?
9.
How about you, Kuya? For the chicken? Yes, it was. Tastes good. It shows really good, I think. Was able, he likes chicken. And this kid, this binata, it takes time before you can convince him and to eat the food, right? It's a very high taste. How about the youngest?
Shrimp, 1 to 10. 10 is the highest. Course 9. This is one of my favorite.
How about the avocado?
The avocado,
He's so
1
old.
to 8. 8 is the highest.
Highest.
10 is the highest. 1 to 8. 8.
This is the pasta. And no one is touching the veg. I think it's for me.
Oh, isa sa mga main course. Siyempre itong favorite ko, 'di ba? Tapos yung burger nila, Wagyu to. Wagyu.
I like the
Yan.
beef.
Ngayon pa lang, alam ko na, 10 na to. 1 to 10. Because this is one of my favorite eh. Subukan natin. Oh, wow, ang lambot ah.
Let's have a stick.
Tikman ko. Taste test. Lambot. Lambot niya.
You Sam, you want to taste?
I think
This one? You slice first Sam. So you can taste and breathe.
Sam, you want me to subo you? Ha? O, ito ha?
Is that hot ah?
Is that a baby?
Like it?
You like it?
it's the same, but slightly sweeter.
1 to 10. 10 is the highest.
Baba give 10.
Yeah, 10.
9.5.
9.5.
Ooh, pretty.
There's a pogi there. Yeah.
Ngayon naman, burger naman to. Talagang ang specialty nila is yung beef. Sarap, sarap. Wagyu to ha. Tapos yung kanina, wala na. Wala, ayun. Nagkaubusan na. Yung ribs.
I want more.
Taste up to the bones. And you like the music?
Where is R&B? Albert.
It's in what location?
Dubai.
Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi, ha?
Al Batin.
Okay. Okay. So, these are table.
The afterwash.
So, pagkatapos ng ng kainan, ubos. Mga busog. Oo. Si Michelle talagang masaya-masaya.
She has been eating that salad since we came here.
Oh, paalam na tayo.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ano?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay. Like and subscribe.